Hello, I'm going to spend a few minutes today looking at the FT640 from CMZ. Here is the FT40. What is it? It's a standalone industrial motion controller plus PLC. It uses Codesys 3.5 for high performance motion control. It supports EtherCAT, CANopen, Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP and Profinet. It's modular in construction and supports 4, 8, 16 and greater than 16 axis of soft motion via a license. It also supports web visualization, soft motion, CNC and robotics via different downloadable modules. It has 1 gig of memory on board and an SD card slot. The I/O is expandable, as stated previously, and that can include Ethernet or CANopen bus couplers, digital inputs and outputs, analog inputs and outputs, counters, RS-232 communications modules, and power supplies. Here we have the unit. I'm holding it, okay? And we can see here we've got 3 Ethernet ports. We'd use 1 port for talking to our PC, for instance. We may use the other port for our EtherCAT communications, and maybe a 3rd port for our HMI. We've also got a CANopen port at the top here. We've got the SD card slot here, and our 24-volt supply for our control system here. The I/O can be removed and added to expand the capabilities of the product. Let's put that down and reinsert it like that. Okay. And I said varying modules can be added to the side of the unit to increase the size of it. So if you're looking for a flexible motion control that gives you the ability to control circular interpolation and linear interpolated axis, then this might be the product for you. Well, this has been a brief video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any applications or wish to discuss the product further, then please feel free to contact us. If you've enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe. And I thank you for your time. Thank you.